Like shorty, what it do? Got a bad bitch, show me I'ma leave with you. If I walk up in the party, motherfuckers better move. If a motherfucker try me, I'ma put him on the news. Goddamn, I don't want no fucking bitch, cause I came in the club with a motherfucking dick. Watch out, motherfucker, cause I'm looking for a lick. Got diamonds on my wrist, brass knuckles on my fist. I'm slapping motherfuckers in the face in the pit. Might hit him in the head, I got 100 in the clip. Wait, little bitch, don't want that. I'ma put a blade through his chest like a thumb. Like down, this chopper gon' have a run it. But fucking on this bitch, motherfucker, is how it coming. Got a bad little bitch in the crib, and shit up to something. I'ma walk up in this bitch, I don't care if they tell me come in. Cause I came in, and I'm looking for a body. I feel like murder is a motherfucking hobby. And I'm coming off the top, feeling like I'm Jafar. I'm pulled on the dance floor, broke up in the party. Put on my shirt for the vendetta. I'm in the face, my boot nuts don't get off. Heads up, I'm getting fed up. Pull up with the gun and mark your head up, bitch.
Завали ебальник. Ты это мне сказал? Да, это тебе хуй. Выйди нахуй с комнаты отсюда, долбоёб. Да я тебе сейчас в ебало выйду.
Got diamonds on my wrist, brass knuckles on my fist. I'm slapping motherfuckers in the face in the pit. Might hit him in the head, I got 100 in the clip. Wait, little bitch, don't want that. I'ma put a blade through his chest like a thumb. Like down, this chopper gon' have a run it. But fucking on this bitch, I'ma fuck her as I come in. Got a bad little bitch in the crib, and shit up to something. I'ma walk up in this bitch, I don't care if they tell me come in.
Stay mad cause she gon' caress me with a little water park, maybe like a jet ski. I get bands like so immensely. Say she got a man, cut her off if she pesky. We would get it brother cause your bag looking petty. You try to hustle fine, fucking put you in a tight like push him on. Go, 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 like push him on a roll, 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 roll. While you pull with a stick, I'm trying to pull a bit of this. And we fight like 1, 2, come through. You finna see us live, cigarette, blue side, dripping, bubble, like when I pull into the scene, I wipe out lemons and cream. With the fucking waffle, me boy, ain't seen a pack of chill like honey, try to fuck it, doing nothing in between.
Hot down, made a check off the digger. Motherfuckers try to copy, but they couldn't do it better. Keep it slow, motherfucker, got me feeling that Rosetta. Let a tombstone rip way, trip way. Like, who are you better than Blake on my letter, mate? Been doing shit, motherfucker, I'm a veteran. I'm a big dog, bitch, you were not competitive. Game in this bitch, motherfucker, and I made the name. You wouldn't know what to do if you were in my position. Wait, I'm at a point where there really isn't competition. Wait, if you wanna try me, you gon' end up with a mortician. Wait, me and Grail Ting, go, 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 with a motherfucking pole. And I came with a vendetta, leaving bodies on the floor. All these diamonds on me, dead, so you gon' really see my glow. Got me stomping on the beat and now I'm switching on the flow,
There are many types of monsters in this world. Monsters who will not show themselves and who cause trouble. Monsters who abduct